the name of Allah, the most gorgeous, the most merciful. Respected principals and dear guests, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am standing here to talk about very special day, 14th August, the Independence Day of Pakistan. On this day, in 1947, our beloved country Pakistan came into being. It was a great result of sacrifices made by our ancestors, especially Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He gave us a separate homeland where we could live freely according to our religion and culture. Before independence, Muslims were not free. They could not practice their religion or live with peace and dignity. Freedom is a blessing, but with freedom comes some responsibilities. It is our duty to love Pakistan, protect it, and make some responsibilities. It is our duty to love Pakistan, protect it, and make it a better place. We should study hard, efforts, and great result of our religion. Today I am standing here to talk about very special day, 14th August. On this day in the year of 1947, our beloved country Pakistan appeared on the world's map as a free and independent country. Let us also remember the words of Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah: faith, unity, and discipline. These are not just a word, but a complete guideline for our success. Let us promise to say no to corruption, lies, and hearted, and say yes to protect Pakistan.